We are coming for you.
Kwa dhi mbele nyakorom juang riwruoge makedo ne ratiro mag oganda buo mabul mar gima ong'ere kaka Kenya National Civil Society Center okwedo kanga mane jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kao mano mar walo Noordin Haji lemo ma jatatije bado bila mang'weyo maling'ling kata NIS. Riwruogno obwogo dhi e doho mar chungo chenro no mar keto Haji komno kagiwacho ni osere nyiso telo makare e thuolo mag telo mosebedo ge thurka. Etwak marge gi jofwamb weche mathurka riwruoge makedo ne ratiro mag oganda e bwo kanyakla ma otisi ni Kenya National Civil Society Center oramo ni ogai mar jomin buche Noordin Haji okromo bedo jatatije e bado bila mang'weyo maling'ling NIS lemo manyocha owal ne gi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto.
He is not only not competent but also lacks the integrity to hold any public office, let alone being confirmed as the Director General of the National Intelligence Service. In fact, Mr. Haji should not hold any public office. Not the one he's currently holding, not the one he's being proposed for. He is, in our view, not even suitable to be a sub-chief of a location in the Republic of Kenya.
Riwruogno wacho ni kitelo ma Noordin Haji osenyise kinde ma okalo ok nyis ni en kod teku mar tayo NIS e yo makare ka gimedo ni timbe maundu kod monj mag njore notimo ne wa e pacho ka e kinde mane en jalup jatatije e migawo nogono.
We all remember the Westgate Mall shooting of 2013 where, a number of people lost lives, others lost limb and others were maimed. The Mpeketoni attacks of 2014, the Garissa University College attack of 2015, and the Nairobi Dusit D2 complex attack of 2019. In addition to the four major attacks, there were also terrorist attacks and terrorism-related incidences during Mr. Haji's time at the helm of counter-organized crime unit that can be classified as minor, but quite numerous. This guy is set now to be in charge of national intelligence that the Kenya government will rely on, that President Ruto will rely on. So we are trying to save President Ruto from himself by telling him that this guy that you have proposed and are about to confirm as the NIS director has failed this country before.
Giseyo Haji kwa mwito kuchabura manoma kujalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua kakoro gidwaro mondo miyo Haji oler malong'o ng'ano manochune wito okobura no kata obedo ni en owuon emane odonjo ne Gachagua kitudo gi mibadhi mag omenda.
If Mr. Haji comes out today to tell us that there was interference in his work, that he was forced, somebody held a gun to his head and demanded that he authorized the prosecution of those people whose cases he has since withdrawn, we will understand. But then, what will stop somebody else holding the same gun at his head when he's Director General of NIS? Does he not owe it to the public to explain what led him to authorize the prosecution and what is now leading him to withdraw the cases?
Riwruoge go nyiso ranyisi mar ng'ur ma opedhi e od bura ke jago manyinge Stephen Mangira mayuak ni Haji ne omenda ne gi omenda mage mane omaki ka itimo nonro wi gino mane chich ne gin omenda ma oyudi e yor mibadhi. Jago no wacho ni kata burano no oserumo e doma Shanzu pok to oyudo ratiro mare.
It is an act of corruption. It's an act of impropriety for a state officer to seize money and vehicles as exhibit, only to disclose less than he actually seized. And this matter of seizure of money, we can confirm, is the subject of another petition that the accused persons have filed, because they were acquitted of the criminal case.
And I'm speaking as a person who comes from the county. His brother is a senator in the county where I come from. We met in the road, so when he was going to Garissa, we shook hands. But when it comes to accountability, it doesn't matter who it is. It can be your brother, it can be your tribe's person. The most important thing is, can we have these conversations now? Can we have these concerns addressed as he's climbing the ladder, going up to more sensitive position?
It is for the people to judge and also understand. In a case the appointment is confirmed and later the problem arises, it is very clear that the civil society were able to create the awareness to the public to understand that this person is not fit for this position because of the failure he has already confirmed from the previous offices where he was in charge.
Gibono the doho mapachuka pononi orbura kojatan piny Kenya William Ruto opodho Noordin Haji kaka jaratije bedo bila manguyo malingling kata NIS. Na Ramogi paro mar chik mabiro yango kaka